Many of you have been asking for this video. Today is the day. This will take your PowerPoint skill to the next level. As I mentioned, today you will learn how to design these stunning slides in PowerPoint. But before we start, let me show you just one example of incredible PowerPoint templates I have designed for you. This template has more than 100 unique slides and each packed with features to help you deliver a truly impactful presentation. It's designed with modern features and is fully customizable to suit your brand. You'll find stunning infographics, engaging visuals, and layouts that simplify complex information. It grabs your audience's attention and leaves a lasting impression. The link to download all the templates I have designed is in the description. Alright, let's dive in and start today's tutorial. Let's start by formatting the background. Right-click on it and choose Format Background. In this window, choose Gradient Fill and then select this preset. Change the color of this spot with this color code. Open More Colors window and type the code here. Let's change its position to 44%. Use this color code for this spot. Now bring the first picture to the slide. First, crop it with 1:1 aspect ratio, and then crop it with the circle. Now click on the crop. Hold the Ctrl and Shift keys down and adjust your picture like this. Make sure its diameter is 7.5. Now align it to the center, and by holding the Shift key down, drag it down. You can use the arrow keys for a slight movement. Now add a text box and type your titles. Kiwi, press space 20 times, orange, 20 space, blueberry, and strawberry. Change its color to white, size to 24, and align it to the center. Now we have to change the height and width to 10. In the text effect menu, go to the transform part and choose this style. Align it to the center and drag it to this position. Add an outline for the text box as a guideline. We will delete it later. Now draw a circle and set its diameter to 9. Drag it to the inside of the borders. It must be inside. This position is not acceptable. Now select these two and align them to the middle and center. Remove the color from the circle and change the outline color to this. Duplicate the circle, bring it to the inside, and change its diameter to 8. Press Ctrl A to select all the content and align them to the middle and center. We don't need this outline anymore. Let's delete it. Draw a little circle. I think 0.25 is good for the diameter. Put it to this position and change its color to white. Now hold the Ctrl key down and select these two, and by pressing Ctrl G, group them. Okay, we created this effect easily. Now bring your PNG picture to the slide. Once more, this template is free and you have access to all the pictures. Anyway, make 2 copies like this. Select all the pictures and open Format Picture window. Add a drop shadow in this direction. Set the blur amount to 25 and distance to 12. Also add a drop shadow to the main pie, but we can't select the picture because the text box is on the top. So first send it back and then select the pie. Now add a drop shadow to the center. Set the blur amount to 50 and transparency to 80. Let's add the main title and its description to the slide. I'm using the Apple Peach font style. The download link is in the description. Now draw a circle. Change its color to white with 80% transparency. Decrease the outline thickness to 0.5 with white color. Now draw this shape and drag this yellow dot like this. Select the circle, press Ctrl-Shift-C to copy its formatting. Now select the arrow and press Ctrl-Shift-V to paste the formatting. Adjust them like this and then group them. Make another copy on this side and rotate it horizontally. Let's bring the second picture to the slide. I think you know how to make it like this, don't you? Press Ctrl-Shift-C to copy the formatting from this pie and Ctrl-Shift-V to paste it to this pie. Make sure its diameter is 7.5 and then drag it to this position. Select the pie and the text box and align them to the middle and center. Select the pie, rotate it exactly on this circle and send it back. Now we can duplicate the slide. Delete the top picture, rotate this little circle to this position, send the text box to the back and then rotate the pie. Now change the title and pictures and then bring your next picture to the slide. The process is like what we did earlier. Rotate it to this position and send it back. For the background, replace these two spots with these color codes. Duplicate the slide and repeat the steps for as many as pictures you have. At the end, select all the slides and add morph transition to them. Decrease the duration to 1 second and you are done. Your PowerPoint is ready. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Alright, I'll see you next video.